There are a lot of reasons why people seek to modify child custody. Generally, life happens. Life changes, situations change, the children get older, locations change, children's preferences change, and maybe sometimes what's in the best interest of the children changes as time goes on. Sometimes child custody modifications can be mediated. Typically, before a party can bring these things to the court, there's going to be a requirement to go to mediation anyway. A lot of times, the changes that have happened are recognized and acknowledged by both parties, and that does happen. And sometimes in mediation, we can be a little creative with the scenario, creative with the schedule, and do things that sometimes a judge can't do. Sometimes people work out an informal arrangement on their own without filing a petition. Ultimately, it's best to file a petition and have it put into writing and have an agreement entered and an order ratifying that agreement so that everyone knows what the custodial arrangement is, where the children are supposed to be, who they're supposed to be with, when, and it should be in writing so that it can be enforced. If it's not in writing and someone changes their mind about that arrangement, everything could blow up. A modification of custody will trigger a modification usually of child support because the number of overnights per year that each party has with the children go into the child support equation. And so when that changes, the child support will typically change. There's a risk to representing yourself in a custody modification matter. You need someone to protect your rights. And if you don't have someone to protect your rights that knows how to handle these matters, you risk losing time with your children and/or having to pay more child support. My clients hire me because of my 15 years of experience handling child custody matters, and also because of the fact that I'm board certified in the area of marital and family law, and only 300 attorneys in the entire state of Florida can say that they're board certified in that area of law.